Puppies. They're playing. Oh, look at this. It's unbelievable. Look at all these mourning doves, white-winged dove pair. Over here on the bird block. They call those like Burning Man for birds. Get all over it, just gorge, have a great time. Really windy. Oh, look at them all. So many. Just so many. And not only white crowns, but look at the sparrows. Oh. We lost one over here. You see a little tail back there. Hit the window. Oh, it breaks my heart. I don't like to see any birders. I mean, any birds ever. You know, but sometimes it just, wind kicks up and we get spooked. You know, in spring it'd be kind of nice if y'all didn't rev your engines or speed past where there's flocks of birds. It would be so nice, and then they wouldn't run into the window. Oh, look at Aya. Looks like a convention. And this brilliant, my Lord, sunset. Praise Jesus. You know, even if my window's dirty, y'all, praise Jesus. Love you. Namaste, y'all. Namaste.